It was very clear for me after I mastered that I wanted to do a PhD, and I was thinking of where to go, and then it was just Copenhagen that was recommended by a friend because of the very good working environment and the general conditions for doing a PhD compared to other places in Europe, and that's where I wanted to stay. I'm working on the Clean Waste project for solutions with clean and environmentally friendly treatment or the solving of the pig manure problem in Denmark. I'm working on the solid fraction, and the solid fraction is to be seen as a resource. It's not a waste product because there's a lot of nutrients in it, and I try to put them back into the plants so that they can take it up and recycle the nutrients from the excreta back into the plant. What is really a problem in the future world is that we will have a lot of people around the world who needs to be fed. We need food for them, and with the increasing wealth there will also be more demand for meat, so the whole production will flourish. But of course there's a lot of waste materials also related to that, and what we really should do is not consider it as waste but as resource. Recycling, recycling, recycling. That's the only way of getting towards a more sustainable world in food production, I would say.